and I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks to all of you for attending the ribbon cutting today of the Pearl. Today we're excited to share the first step of our vision for downtown. In just a minute, we'll invite you to explore the building. The Pearl is more than just a building. It's a symbol of our commitment to enriching the cultural fabric of our community. Our sincere gratitude goes to the amazing construction team of Weigand.
The Pearl is another gem for our downtown, crowning of the main street and the skyline as a beautifully designed 7-story mixed-use multi-family building. But I especially want to highlight the efforts and the workmanship of the tradesmen and tradeswomen who worked a collective 460,000 man-hours to build what is right behind you. We're humbled and honored to have our construction company's name associated with the Surack Enterprise brand on a project such as this.
And welcome to Mayor Sharon Tucker, the 37th mayor of our community.
I remember when Chuck reached out to me and said he had an idea, the Pearl was coming forward. When we're used to hearing people say, what can the city give to me? The Suracks have said, what can I give back to the city? And we see it in this beautiful building.
I can't tell you what a joy it is to be able to work with such amazing people every day. Your expertise and dedication have shaped the Pearl into an amazing landmark, and I'm just so proud of all of you and what we've built.
It's been one of our more challenging builds, but also most rewarding, knowing the impact that it's going to have on our city, continuing the amazing revitalization of our downtown.
Chuck and Lisa have left their footprint on our city, and our city is better.
The absolute best part of being in the construction industry is this, that less than 2.5 years ago, right behind me was 4 dilapidated buildings and a parking lot. And look what it is today.
Again, thank you everybody for coming. Have a great day. Now let's cut the ribbon. Enjoy the building, everybody. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Along with today's opening of the Pearl, we have other exciting projects in the works. Just across the Pearl Street in front of us is the Pearl Street Art Center, which opened just a little over a week ago.
If this is what the Suracks are going to do for Fort Wayne, then I say, let's keep it going.